InfobitesKids.
Did you know not all dinosaurs were fierce meat eaters? Some were gentle plant eaters. Let's meet these amazing herbivorous dinos. First up, the sauropods and prosauropods. These were long-necked, long-tailed giants who loved munching on leaves high up in trees. Here are some of them. Sauropods. Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, Apatosaurus, Brontosaurus, Argentinosaurus, Patagodoton, Camarasaurus. Prosauropods. Plateosaurus, Massospondylus, Lophangosaurus. Stegosaurs. Stegosaurs were covered with rows of bony plates and had spiky tails to protect themselves from predators. Here are some famous ones. Stegosaurus, Kentrosaurus, Tujiangosaurus, Huayangosaurus, Werasaurus. Ceratopsians. They had big frills and strong horns, perfect for defense and looking cool. Let's meet a few. Triceratops, Styracosaurus, Centrosaurus, Protoceratops, Pachyrhinosaurus, Torosaurus, Chasmosaurus. Ankylosaurs. Ankylosaurs were like walking tanks, covered in thick armor with some having clubbed tails to fight off attackers. Here they come. Ankylosaurus, Euoplocephalus, Nodosaurus, Sicania, Pinacosaurus, Minmi. Ornithopods. Fast, smart, and often moving in herds, these plant eaters had duck-like bills to help them chew tough plants. Let's name them. Iguanodon, Parasaurolophus, Corythosaurus, Edmontosaurus, Maiasaura, Hypsilophodon, Uranosaurus. You did it! Now you know all about the plant-eating dinosaurs, from long-necked sauropods to armored ankylosaurs. Don't forget to subscribe and come back to InfobitesKids, where learning never stops. Until next time, stay curious.